MCC Heavy Machinery Company is a metallurgical special equipment manufacturing brand belonging to MCC Bostil, which is the earliest enterprise specializing in the manufacture and maintenance of metallurgical special equipment in China. The company has undertaken the manufacturing and repair business of a large quantity of metallurgical special equipment of Bostil since it put into operation officially in 1985. Besides, the company also developed the first 35 tons integral type slag port carrier with 4 independent intellectual property rights in China at that time. This production not only solved the problems of import spare parts, such as difficulties of procurement, long cycle of maintenance, as well as inadequate after-sales service, but also set the precedent for the localization of China's metallurgical special equipment. For more than 30 years, MCC Heavy Machinery has paid great attention to intelligence, low carbon, specialization, and environmental protection. MCC Heavy Machinery owns 4 main business segments, which are metallurgical logistics equipment, metallurgical non-standard equipment, operation and maintenance integration services, and metallurgical remanufacturing. Domestic customers of the company mainly include Bostil, Marstil, Anstil, Shanstil, Wustil, and many other large metallurgical enterprises in China, while overseas customers mainly consist of various leading enterprises of mining or metallurgy such as Rio Tinto Group, Glencore International AG, Zijin Copper Company, Kennecott Copper Corporation. Our products have been sold in over 30 countries such as Australia, America, Germany, Japan, Korea, Norway, Malaysia, Serbia. When it comes to the metallurgical logistics equipment section, MCC Heavy Machinery Company covers over 65% market share in the market of steel smelting in China, while the market share of copper smelting is over 85%, which sets the company as the market leader in the country. Many intelligent functions have been applied to our products, such as hydrostatic drive, double-line explosion-proof, 4-functional remote control driving, liquid metal insulation, and so on. Besides, we also focus on a variety of eco-friendly concepts and explore to develop related applications on our productions. The technical level and the comprehensive performance of the products have reached the leading position of production in China. As one of the representative products, MCC Heavy Machinery slag port carrier could be divided as 4 types, which are integral slag port carrier, A-type articulated slag port carrier, B-type articulated slag port carrier, as well as U-type articulated slag port carrier. The structure of integral slag port carrier is simple and affordable, which is suitable for low-loss working conditions, while articulated slag port carrier owns bigger steering angle and can withstand greater loss, which allows the carrier to conduct 180-degree port turning. These types are suitable for working conditions of cramped space. Another main product of the company is smelting port carrier, which could be divided as integral smelting port carrier and semi-hanging smelting port carrier. Both of these 2 types adopt the double-line hydraulic explosion-proof system. The integral type can bear quite large loads, ranging from 80 tons to 450 tons, which makes this type of carrier as ideal tool of high-temperature liquids transporting. MCC Heavy Machinery Smart Special Vehicle include intelligent feeder, intelligent slag cleaner, mining scraper, and so on. The feeder could transport raw materials to the furnace for self-loading and unloading. The slag cleaner could scrap the high-temperature slag to the transport vehicle in the dangerous area under the transfer furnace. while the mining scraper could scrap ore in the mining well at a depth of 400 meters. Besides, the company has also developed and manufactured a series of new energy slag truck and dump truck, coal transporters with various tonnage and structural forms, and many other types of products, which allows the company to provide ideal methods to metallurgical logistics. Moreover, non-standard special equipment is also an important part of MCC heavy machinery product categories. Among all kinds of non-standard special equipment, the most influential product is the eco-friendly welded slag port, which is initially developed by the company all over the world. Compared with traditional slag port, the welded one owns the advantages of lower energy consumption, shorter period of cooling, better heat tolerance and quality, and so on. The welded slag port could fulfill the storage and transportation requirements of various kinds of slags. MCC Heavy Machinery Company has achieved 205 national patents in China and has passed EU Steel Structure Product CE certification in 2014. The production of welded slag port has been listed as Shanghai Enterprise Standard. In the future, MCC Heavy Machinery would follow the enterprise spirit of never delaying a day, never slacking a day, in order to achieve the company's goal of setting itself the position of world-class metallurgical logistics equipment supplier, as well as the mining industry special vehicle leader in the market all over the world.